Have you ever wondered how humanity first discovered the invisible force that powers our homes, industries, and technology? How did we unlock the secrets of electricity? To find the answer, we must travel back over 2,600 years to ancient Greece. This was an age of gods, myths, and superstition, when the natural world was often explained through magic. But one man dared to question these beliefs. That man was Thales of Miletus. Often called the world's first scientist, Thales made a groundbreaking discovery that would eventually lead to the modern understanding of electricity. Join us on this journey to uncover the fascinating life of Thales, his pioneering experiment with static electricity, and how his ideas laid the foundation for the technological marvels we enjoy today. Born around 624 BCE in the bustling city of Miletus, located in modern-day Turkey, Thales was a philosopher, mathematician, and scientist. Unlike most of his peers, who relied on myths and divine explanations, Thales sought logical reasons for the natural phenomena he observed. He traveled extensively, learning from the advanced civilizations of Egypt and Babylon. In Egypt, he studied geometry and applied it practically, such as measuring the height of the Great Pyramids by observing their shadows. This blend of curiosity, observation, and logic became the hallmark of his work. Thales was a man ahead of his time, asking questions no one else dared to. What causes lightning? Why do objects behave the way they do? And most importantly, could there be an explanation beyond the gods? Now let's delve into the discovery that makes Thales such a key figure in the history of electricity. Around 600 BCE, Thales conducted a simple yet revolutionary experiment. He took a piece of amber, a fossilized tree resin, and rubbed it with animal fur. To his surprise, the amber seemed to come alive. It attracted small, lightweight objects like feathers, hair, and bits of straw. What was happening here? At the time, most people would have called it magic or divine intervention, but Thales didn't stop there. He observed this phenomenon closely, trying to find a rational explanation. While he didn't fully understand the concept of electrical charge as we do today, he took a critical step. He identified that this attraction wasn't supernatural, but a natural property of amber and other materials. This was the first recorded observation of static electricity. It may seem simple, but in a world that had no concept of electricity, this was groundbreaking. While Thales's experiment with amber was his most significant contribution to the history of electricity, his brilliance didn't stop there. He is also credited with being one of the first to study geometry systematically, discovering several geometric theorems, including the fact that a circle is bisected by its diameter, and that the angles opposite the equal sides of a triangle are themselves equal. He also contributed to astronomy, famously predicting a solar eclipse in 585 BCE. Imagine the reaction of people at the time, seeing the sun suddenly disappear from the sky, only for Thales to explain that it wasn't the work of the gods, but a predictable natural event. Thales's discovery was a small step, but it set the stage for some of the greatest advancements in science and engineering. Fast forward to the 16th century, when William Gilbert built on Thales's work. Gilbert coined the term electricus to describe the attractive properties of amber, and conducted experiments to study magnetism and electricity in more detail. The 18th century, Benjamin Franklin conducted his famous kite experiment, proving that lightning was a form of electrical energy. And in the 19th century, scientists like Michael Faraday and Nikola Tesla revolutionized our understanding of electricity. Without Thales, this chain of discovery might never have begun. Thales of Miletus may have lived over 2,600 years ago, but his legacy endures. From his discovery of static electricity to his innovations in geometry, he laid the foundation for science as we know it today. The next time you flip a light switch, charge your phone, or witness the wonders of modern technology, take a moment to remember Thales, the man who sparked it all. Thank you for watching The Electric Minds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the people and discoveries that changed our world. Until next time, stay curious.